Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can unban someone from your Discord server via Discord app on your mobile phone. At the moment I'm using iPhone. First of all, what we want to do, we want to go to the server that you banned from. We want to go to the upper side of your screen where the name of the server is. Next to the name of this server, there are three dots on your top right side. We want to press them. Another pop-up window will show up with a couple of options. Let's go three dots again. On the middle of your screen, on your right side, there are settings. Let's go with settings. And all the way down, there are bans. We click on the bans and we see there's only one guy, and it's Manabar, it's my second account. We want to go on the three dots and we want to press unban. And all of a sudden, he is unbanned. You can go all the way back, and that's it. We can invite him again, and we can continue our friendship. Let's say it like that. Well, thanks for watching, and